How to turn off Discord notification sound. Turning on Discord notifications is quite easy and simple. Just you have to follow all the steps one by one. Firstly, open any browser on your device. On the web pages bar, type in discord.com. On the official website, click on the Open Discord at top right corner of the screen or insert the login to your account. Once you log into your account, click on this user settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. On this left panel, scroll all the way down and locate the option of notifications. Click on it and scroll to the bottom of the screen. To disable all notification sound, toggle on the bottom of this disable all notification sounds and all your notification sounds on Discord will be disabled. That's it. That's how we easily disable or turn off all notification sounds on Discord. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.